Hey guys, this is Cody with Homestead, and today we're going to be doing a product build using the Lil Clucker chicken water cups. So right now my chickens have gotten a lot bigger and they're just burning through food and water. They're always tipping their water over and stuff. And this is a extremely easy and cheap way to upgrade your watering system so that you don't have to go out there every day and fill up water bowls or water cups or stuff like that. This product I will be posting a link to in the description below. I'm not affiliated with it, so I'm not making any money. It is just so awesome and so easy to do that there's no reason not to do it. You can take your typical Lowe's bucket, and that's about 5 gallons, and you can upgrade your watering system and be hands-free for multiple days. So you will need some products to begin though. You need some things to get started. So obviously you'll need the Lil Clucker chicken water cups here. They come in a 5-pack. They come with everything you need. They come with the cup themselves, wing nuts, and the little washer here. They also come with their instructions. However, you will need a drill with a 3/8 inch drill bit. That's kind of mandatory for the fittings here. And you need you need something that can hold your water. So for me, I've got just a Lowe's bucket here. I got a lid in the garage. Super cheap. You know, you can find these for free on Facebook Marketplace. You can just go to Lowe's and get one. But anyways, let me show you how easy this is. So I've already done one here just for my own essay so I can actually show you what I'm doing. But this is it. So it says you're supposed to go 3 inches off the ground. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball that. Take your drill. Go right in. Boom. All right. Take your little water cup, and if you'll notice, they have little screw rivets, right? So stick it there. Kind of give it a screw in if it doesn't fit completely flush. Cool. You take your gasket before you put it in. Stick it on. Boom. Thread that down. Stick that in. Grab your wing nut. Come on the back side and thread that together if I can get it myself. Boom. All right, so now we're threading, and you're gonna notice this is gonna get very tight. Okay, and you just keep going. Almost done. I can feel it like really getting tight in there. You don't want to overdo it, because you could pop the threads. I'll see how you heard that noise. That was me overdoing it. So we're just going to get right where we feel the tension, and that's all there is to it. And I want to show you just kind of how it works here. So what happens is you fill the water up, and the cup kind of sits like this, okay? And once the chickens drank all the water, it's going to pop up and then refill. Pop up and then refill. All right, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and finish, get the rest of these on here, and we'll come right back. All right, guys, we're back. So I went ahead and put all 5 on. I probably could have spaced them out a bit more here, but you notice I kind of started low, and then I kind of worked my way high with this one. I felt like I was going a little too low. It says 3 inches. I measured 3 inches. It can still go up and down with no issues. So I think this will be fine. But as you can see here, the water fills up and kind of sets itself. And then when the water runs low, this thing's gonna pop up and it's gonna refill. So I only got it a little full. See, you know, I'm gonna clean this water out, get some of this plastic out from the drill. But I just wanted to give a quick show of how easy this was and how much you can really upgrade your water capacity with. So I'm gonna go ahead and top her off with water and get it out there in the chicken coop, and we'll see how they like it. All right, guys, we're outside with the chickens, and they've already figured out how to use this thing here. So you can see no issues whatsoever. One little thing that I did do is I did set the water bucket up on a piece of wood I had from the chicken coops. I didn't go the entire 3 inches. I was a little low on some of those, and the cups were not able to do the motion to fill up. So I just set it on a piece of wood that kind of elevated a little bit. and we're good to go. Please forgive all the stuff we have lining the edges. We put the chickens out here in their little grow out cage, and the gaps in the fence were a little too big, so they were able to get out. And we've had a hawk cruising around, and I was wanting to make sure they couldn't get out. So we have fencing here. We ran out of fencing, so we started using wood and other chicken wire, and we just got this here. But now they're getting to the point where they're too big to get through, which is nice. But yeah, I mean, this is a simple, easy product that you can use to upgrade your quality of life. Every day you come home from work, having to go outside into the yard and do a little bit of yard work, it can be relaxing, but sometimes it's just more of a hassle, So being able to have this thing that kind of takes care of itself and automates your life a little bit, makes things easier and lets you enjoy it. I was able to get the Lil Clucker water system. I think it was like roughly $20. I'm gonna have the actual price in the description, because it's been a minute since I ordered them. But yeah, if you have used this product or you like it, just drop a comment below. We might be doing a giveaway depending on how much participation we get. But yeah, if you found this video helpful and you like the kind of content we're doing, I'm trying to grow the channel, so any likes and subscribes would help. It helps the algorithm out a lot and helps us get out in front of people. But yeah, hey look, I appreciate you guys. This is Cody with Home to Homestead, out here.